Welcome to Phipps Park. We made some amazing improvements here to the park in the last 6 months with the help of the Florida Inland Navigational District grants. We used to have a 17-foot escarpment bank that dropped right off, and you can see now we've got a beautiful walkway with a fence, a gentle slope up with some Bermuda, and some incredible new campsites that we're working on also hopefully to fund in putting in an RV pads as well, and platform tents. Part of some of the additional improvements we did here at Phipps Park is we put a nice dock at the end of the pathway and then a T at the end so that the boats can pull right up to the dock. In 2018, Martin County funded a boat ramp renovation for Phipps Park. We put in 2 finger piers and made it ADA accessible. That finishes up our 2018 projects for Phipps. In 2019, we'll be updating our electrical service to 50 amp for park sites, and we hope to put in RV pads as well as platform tents with the help of a FERDAP grant.